Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chic Random, better known as Tara J. I'm here today to try to figure out how to get my wig together. It's terrible. Let's take a look. Here it is, right in front of my face, on the top of my head. I think I may have had this wig for about 2 months, possibly. I did get it from Maven Hair. It's an 18-inch deep wave Brazilian, and I absolutely love how it looks on me. I'm a curly hair kind of chick, and it was the bomb. So let's try to do our hot water boiling method with the conditioner. I watched a few videos, and I like the way their hair comes out. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Cross your fingers, ladies. Be back. Okay, guys. Here's the material we're going to need. Some leave-in conditioner to throw into the pot. Some oil of your choice. I choose this one because this is just the oil I use for my own hair, and it softens my hair. So whatever oil you need to make your hair soft, that is great. The hair, of course, and a nice big pot of water to get it boiling. Now that I've started to boil the water, I put my fire on extra hot just so the water can get boiled much faster. 1 scoop. 2 scoops. Stir it around. Let it get a little milky. Okay guys, I'm back again, and I left my wig in the pot for about maybe 8 minutes, and now I'm back to take it out. It's very hot. It's bubbling, it's smoking, I'm burning my fingers off, like Jesus. But let's see how it works. I'm gonna take it out the pot. I'm gonna rinse it in some cool water because it's way too hot to maintain. That's your choice. Maybe you're gonna do it, maybe you're not, but I can't handle the hot water, so I'm rinsing it on cool water. Then I'm gonna wrap it up in something. I'm using one of my old paint t-shirts. Yeah, I'm a painter. We'll get to that in the future. You can use foil, you can use a towel, whichever one you prefer. Just let it air dry. You don't want to sit it outside. You don't want to blow dry it with the heat because it's already been through enough heat and smoking inside of that boiling pot water. So make sure you do not blow dry it, not even on cool. Don't sit it outside in the sun. Just let it air dry. Let it be. However long that takes, it will dry. What's up, y'all? It's Tara J back again. Just to come back around and tell you how my hair went after the boiling water method. I mean, it's pretty cute to me. It's more of like a wet and wavy look now. See? Maybe this is like the Brazilian deep wave, how it should be. Who knows? But I think it's cute. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments below. Bye.